I've always hated nature. I hate nature, I'm a city boy, and it's like, as I get older, like I start to connect with nature more. I like to be outside, in my underwear, running with like a grandfather and his son and his grandchild, and we all got spears and we're like hunting. There is no depression, there is no anxiety. I'm outdoors, I'm back to my roots, I'm back to, and so I'm like, what am I observing with this tribe? Why is there so much laughter? Why are they smiling all the time? Why is there so much joy? It's because they're sharing all the time. They're sharing their meals together. They're talking together. They're hanging out. They're sharing stories about the hunt. They're sharing stories about past things and what they're gonna do tomorrow. But they're always together. It's like community. And for me, it's just like, oh God, I gotta schedule a meeting with my mom to hang out with her for half an hour next week, and I have anxiety every single day until that ends. Like, and I'm holding my breath, and then it's like, oh, you know, it's like.
Is that better?
We just live in a completely unnatural world, and it's not natural for you to watch millions of people fucking every day this close, that close above their butthole. It's not natural for me to go to a casino and in one f***ing card flip lose my life savings or increase it tenfold. That's weird. That's not a natural thing. And so when you do these unnatural things start to happen. We live in this completely fucking medicated time. Everyone's on medications, everyone's looking for the drug, the pill, the escape, the fantasy, whatever that is. This isn't the way we were meant to be. We weren't meant to sit in a chair and do this all day, do this all day. That's unnatural. We were meant to run around, and now you just sit there and it's just, you could just be a mushy fucking thing. So I think there is a lot of ignorance or not that much education on what mental illness is, and I think it's everywhere. I think most people are mentally ill that live in a city because a city is unnatural.